Hey guys, welcome back to the channel today. Guys, I'm gonna be whispering because I don't want my dog I don't want Beethoven, my dog, to come out of his doghouse. But those clouds are scary AF, guys. They're very dark and moving fast towards Oklahoma, which is scary because we're in between like Joplin and Oklahoma diagonal wise. Yeah, some flooding. You don't know how actually dark it is, guys. It's actually way too dark, guys. This video might be very short, but this is just scary to me, guys. Guys, I'm storm chasing at my own house. So I don't have much experience with it, so that cloud's scary. The one that the camera is in between those two trees. I hear some kind of tractor stuff over there. There's a little kitty. Guys, I don't know when it's gonna rain. It's about to. Oh, that's weird. But guys, I have a feeling the rain's not just gonna come like that way. Just like coming that way, I feel like it's just gonna drop right on top of us. I think I hear it, but I don't think I hear it. I know it's the wind, but I don't know, guys. It's just freaky. There was a storm that just passed not too long ago. Gone over towards Oklahoma. That way. Galena is that way. Pittsburgh is that way. Joplin's that way. So I'm actually not sure where to look where the rain will start beginning. I think it'll begin over here. And this one storm. We're under a flood advisory. Most likely because of that storm. Moving in, guys. That cloud's just like making my stomach have a weird feeling. I feel a little shrink on my neck. So guys, I think it's coming. There's a huge one. Oh wow. It's so dark. Guys, it's actually very dark. Back over there. It's very dark. There's just some clouds, guys, but it's very dark. Oh, I think it's starting to come over there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Guys, right when I start the downpouring, I'll go in. As you guys can see, raining. Over there, that's rain. And I can hear it, that's not good. I can hear it. From like a mile away. A mile or two away. I don't want to tell people inside. It's coming down very hard. Oh my gosh, I was gonna tell them, but they're way there in the back bedroom. Which I'm not going back there. Yeah, baby. It's not coming from there. It's coming from over here. Rain. More like heavy freaking rain, guys. I'll be scared when it gets here. I'll be outside. Guys. If you guys, you guys probably won't be able to hear me because of the rain when it gets here. But I'm gonna say my outro. If you guys like this video, make sure to go down and subscribe, hit that like button, turn post notifications on. I'll try to upload every time when there's a storm in the Galena, Kansas, and Joplin, Missouri line, and Pittsburgh, and Oklahoma line. And I hear car horns going off over here. I think it's gonna hail. Oh, it's coming in. Oh, that's weird. That's cool. Here it comes, guys. Woo! Guys, I've never been able to hear rain come down all the way from freaking a few miles. Oh my, I can't even see way back there. Guys, I'm gonna die because of all this rain. Guys, I like how over here's not very cloudy. Then over here's kind of, and over here, very, very, very rainy. As you guys can see. Then I like how over there it's just dark clouds. Oh guys, I'm gonna die. This whole freaking yard's gonna be just a big freaking swimming pool. The biggest swimming pool ever, guys. Guys, I probably won't be able to see that camper or that car. It's how heavy this rain is. Here it comes! Woo! To a mosquito. Oh, it's here. It's almost here, guys. And then you can kind of still see town some, which is Galena. I'll say town a lot, guys, in my videos, but town means Galena. Oh, lights are starting to come on. It is here. Doing this for you guys. So you guys better go down, like, and subscribe. Turn post notifications on. Okay, guys. I would try to upload freaking every time there's a storm. Oh, here it comes, guys. So guys, oh my goodness, guys. You used to be able to see that, but now you can't. Woohoo. Hey, that's my neighbor. Oh, okay, now it's hitting the car definitely harder. Then that's one of my neighbors from up here. Guys, it is here. That's how you know it's here. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, it's not, I can't even see over here now, guys. That's a whole bunch of it. I'll be back in a minute, guys.